So today let's check out the BSA Electronics Power Tunnel kit. With this kit you can permanently install a code-compliant Romex extension in your wall to pass 240 volt power at 30 amps from your laundry room where your dryer outlet is located to your garage or even outside where your electric vehicle is located. The kit comes with a power cord. There's a 4-prong dryer cord and there's a 3-prong dry cord version. And then they all come with the same inlet and retro box. Some Romex in various different lengths are offered. And outlet with stainless steel plate and retro box. And again, multiple outlets are offered. There is a outside version too. Metal box with a flip cover. You can see in this one, this is a NEMA 1450. You're still limited to 24 amps continuous, which is the limit of the dryer circuit. You don't automatically get more ampage just because you're using a 50 amp outlet. So that is everything that comes in the kit. It's also offered in versions where there's no Romex, or some people just want the input side of the kit because they're going to then hardwire directly to their EVSE. There's several different options for you to choose from. This is a kit that requires home electrical installation skills or installation by a qualified handyman or electrician. Conduit fittings, screws, etc. are not included and may be needed for the outdoor outlet options depending upon your installation preference. A very common application of the Power Tunnel kit is to put this in a mudroom or laundry room that's just off the garage. That's why the base kit comes with 3 foot of Romex, because you're meant to just do this back to back with the inlet and the outlet. If you have any questions about the Power Tunnel kit, please contact us. We'd be happy to answer your questions or make you a custom version of the kit, as everything at BSA Electronics is custom made in-house. Also, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the video. It helps the algorithm know that these videos are useful, and then we may even get recommended. If there's no interaction with videos, then they don't get recommended by the algorithm. Thanks for checking this out. Bye.